Hi everyone. Today my topic is image parameters for a symmetrical network. What image parameters for a symmetrical network? For that, first we have to know what is two-port network. A two-port network is an electrical network or device with two pairs of terminals connect to external circuits. What is a two-port network? A two-port network is an electrical network or device with two pairs of terminals connect to external circuit. The image parameters for a symmetrical network. The two-port network is said to be symmetrical if the two ports can be interchanged. That is, the input port is made the output port and the output port is made the input port without changing the port voltage and current. For a symmetrical network, the image impedance is called iterative impedance or characteristics impedance and denoted by Z0. The image transfer constant of a symmetrical network is called the propagation constant and is denoted by gamma. Condition for symmetrical in terms of ABCD constant. A equal to D. Then Zi1 equal to root of B by C. Then Zi2 equal to root of B by C. So the characteristic impedance Z0 is Z0 equal to Zi1 equal to Zi2. That is, the three terms are equal to root of B by C. The third parameter image transfer constant theta is theta equal to ln root of minus V1 I1 by V2 I2, where V1 equal to Zi1 I1. We know that formula V equal to IR. Here we use instead of resistance, impedance we use here. So V1 equal to Zi1 I1, V2 equal to minus Zi2 I2. Then theta equal to ln of we want to substitute this V1 and V2 here. So minus I1 square by minus I2 square. Condition for symmetry is Zi1 is exactly equal to Zi2. Hence these two terms are cancelled out. Then theta equal to gamma equal to ln I1 by I2. Then in general, the propagation constant gamma is a complex quantity. Hence gamma equal to alpha plus j beta. Image parameters in terms of open circuit and short circuit impedances. The image parameters of a two-port network in terms of ABCD constants are Zi1 equal to root of AB by CD, then Zi2 equal to root of BD by AC, then theta equal to tan H inverse of root of BC by AD. The open circuit and short circuit impedances of a two-port network in terms of ABCD constant. Zi0 equal to A by C, Z20 equal to D by C, Z1s equal to B by D, Z2s equal to B by A. From the above expression, we see that Z10 Z1s equal to AB by CD. Then AB by CD equal to Zi1 square. Okay. Then Zi1 equal to root of Z10 Z1s. Then Z20 Z2s equal to BD by AC. Then BD by AC equal to Zi2 square. Then Zi2 equal to root of Z20 Z2s. Then theta equal to tan H inverse root of Z2s by Z20 equal to tan H inverse root of Z1s Z10. These equations give the image parameters in terms of open circuit and short circuit impedance. Thank you.